Tech and cleanliness, two of my favorite things. Simplehuman, great brand, cool products, but this is the little device that the Cleanstation, which cleans your phone. So we're going to do a little unboxing and check it out. Let's get started. What up, everybody? It's George Langenbeer with Silverhammer Surveillance. Here on the channel, we talk tech and we talk security. Today, we're talking tech, and we're also talking about one of my other favorite things, cleanliness and sanitation. So, Simplehuman, it's a brand I've been using for years. Trash cans, various products of theirs. Always enjoyed them, so it's kind of, I don't know. They make a wide variety, but today we're talking about the Cleanstation, which cleans your cell phone. So let's unbox it and check it out. I'm going to unbox it and do a little demonstration. So this thing says it'll clean your phone in 30 seconds with some drastic ultraviolet light, which is safe, and let's see, nothing escapes the light. Enhanced chamber to kill 99.9% of germs across the entire phone surface. So that's right up my alley, especially during COVID. You want your clean, and I know we do jobs, we're in customers' homes and businesses every day. So I've been looking for a way to clean my phone and make sure it's sanitized after that. And then it's automatically lowered and raised again all by itself. So all you have to do is plop it in there and it does the whole thing on its own. Let's see what we got in the box. We got kind of the dark graphite color. It also comes in kind of a lighter stainless steel and some other color options. So let's see, we got some documentation here. We got the actual Cleanstation itself. Pretty cool color, kind of matches any stainless steel kitchen or stainless steel environment. But again, check out the color options. Simplehuman's on simplehuman.com, or you can go to Amazon. Check in the link in the description below if you're interested. So we got the Cleanstation and we've got the power cord. And that's it. So let's set this up and I'll give a little demonstration. All right, so we're gonna just demonstrate this bad boy. We got our power cord. We're gonna plug it in. It's got the power port right there, and you can kind of see it's got a groove surface to line up there. So it's circular. Plug it in, you get the nice little rim there. And basically I got the 13 Pro Max, and they're telling me that you can do it with your case. And so let's see what happens. Pretty sweet. And again, they say this should take 30 seconds and kill 99.9% of germs on your phone. So again, very important during COVID, very important all the time. Probably haven't really covered this too much on the channel, but I'm a huge germaphobe, neat freak. I used to make my mom carry me when I was little. I'd point and say, dirt, dirt, please carry me, Mom. So I'm all about this product. So it's a cool tech item, and cleaning stuff at the same time, can't go wrong. So there we go. It was about 30 seconds, and I guess you can't really tell that it's clean, but I guess we're going to take their word for it. But pretty sweet little device, and if it does the job like they say it is, which I trust Simplehuman, their products have been top-notch ever since I started using them several years ago. So anyway, just a quick unboxing of this bad boy and a brief demonstration. Let me know if you got one. Let me know what you think of it. Make some, let us know what you think in the comments. And check out the link in the description below if you're interested in this, checking this out. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you did. Check out the channel. We talk tech, we talk some security, and occasionally I tell some crazy shoplifter stories from back in my loss prevention days, which ties together because this is kind of what got me here. Anyway, till the next video. Peace and love.